Because as far as Patriot's message that seems to be going across to the party, his own party, who seems to be benched by Rahul's Congress, here is Manish Tiwari, who seems to be doing Bharat Ki Baat. Because now what is being said by Manish Tiwari, who was also part of those delegations that went and visited different parts of the world, different countries there, as Pragya and Pratibha are there with us right now. Pratibha, what is that Manish Tiwari seems to be quoting from a famous song in his tweet on social media?
So, Amita, there were two people from the Congress party who were part of the delegation, Shashi Tharoor and Manish Tiwari. Both of them have been benched by the Congress party, with sources suggesting that they refused to toe the party line and criticize the government or Operation Sindoor. And based on that, we have Manish Tiwari, who is giving a very lyrical jibe at the Congress party. So he has in fact quoted a song from the Hindi film, and this is a Manoj Kumar song, Bharat Ka Rehne Wala Hoon, and he seems to have a message for the Congress party in this lyrical jibe. He has written, है प्रीत जहां की रीत सदा, मैं गीत वहां के गाता हूं, भारत का रहने वाला हूं, भारत की बात सुनाता हूं, जय हिंद. So this is a short verse that he has put out, but in this is a shade for the Congress party with these lyrics where he says that I am a resident of the country and I am going to speak for Bharat, and that's the only thing that we are going to speak.
All right, Pragya, what does it mean? मैं भारत के गीत सुनाता हूँ, but this is of course a very famous song from the movie Purab Paschim. But is this a cryptic message that Manish Tiwari seems to be giving to his own party leadership?
Amita, I think this is as clear as it can get. No cryptic message. This is the message that he wanted to send to Congress, because Manish Tiwari wanted to speak. In fact, he has communicated to the Congress that he would want to speak about the feedback that he had received. And in fact, had Manish Tiwari and Shashi Tharoor spoken on this, they would have put government perspective. Yes, because nation comes first, as many of the Congress leaders and opposition leaders also pointed out. But none of them actually exhibited that in the speech. But they would also have questioned the government. That may have given credibility, to the opposition as well, that they are asking valid questions. They are also supporting government stand when it is necessary, because you are going to foreign nations, putting out your country's perspective. But you would also need to question if there are certain questions that everyone would want to ask. Opposition, job is to ask questions from the government, any question that they think is very relevant to the national security. But Congress decided to bench both of the leaders. They were seen speaking in government tone. In fact, they were seen speaking about the government's, Operation Sindoor and success of it, and Congress did not actually like it. In fact, both of them wanted to speak, but they have been benched by the Congress, and the message has also gone out from these leaders to the Congress as well. When Shashi Tharoor may have skipped listening to Operation Sindoor, but he sat. In fact, there was a point in debate when Union Minister Amit Shah stood up and said that there are many in your party who would want to speak, for the nation, but clearly you have not, in fact, given them a chance. And then camera panned towards Shashi Tharoor, and he was seen smiling also. So message is quite clear to Congress that they deliberately put both of these leaders out of the debate, which is not a very good sign when it comes to the opposition. But given a chance, if Speaker wants, and if Speaker wants that, the chair of the delegation can speak, then Shashi Tharoor might get a chance. But this is all depends on the Speaker right now. But what we have gathered is that Congress has decided to keep both of these leaders who might have spoken a lot of truth, a lot of feedback what they had received from other countries that they visited as part of the delegation. And as chair of the delegation, I would say, Shashi Tharoor was chair for the US.
Wouldn't they be in a better position to, also highlight what their experience have been while they were part of these multiple delegations that visited multiple countries? Of course, their top-more bosses were here, but they were part of the delegations that visited other countries. And as far as Supriya Sule was also saying, this is the Union Minister Kiran Rijiju has said that the opposition must take a lead from their own party leaders, should take a lesson from their own party leaders when they keep national interest, national priority above everything else.
Absolutely right. And in fact, these are the leaders who also spoke about the nation, and in fact give credibility to also the government stand, and also ask the question, being the leaders in the opposition. And this is exactly what I was telling you. We are devoid of the feedback that we have got during part of Operation Debate about their experiences. They are the part of the opposition leaders, all party meeting, but yes, they are part of the opposition. They might have, and Shashi Tharoor being an expert on policy, foreign policy, and he had been a diplomat himself, a lot of things that he would have said and thrown light on, and government have also benefited from his perspective, and you never know that Congress might have also benefited from the question that he might have raised. So we are all devoid of those, I would say, very valuable feedback that he might have contributed to this Operation Sindoor debate. As a listener to all these debates, I would say that had these two been part of it, it would have made opposition stand more firm, more clearer, and more credible.
Does it mean speaking for your country means that you're going against your party and your party's ideology? Because here is Manish Tiwari from the Congress party saying कि भारत की बात बताता हूं from पूरब पश्चिम, as far as when we are talking about the current scenarios of their top leaders also being benched